Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC, do everything DIY, and today we have a service call for an HVAC system. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. There we have our thermostat, and here we have our unit. Seeing these black marks are really concerning for me. So, it's a split system with a duct furnace. That's the supply going out there. Here's the return with no filter. Let's see what's going on. Alright, first things first. There's no filter, but there is a rack here. That coil is packed. Alright. Alright, here's our gas supply turned off. Hot wires on the gas valve. Cut wires for the controls there. Got a transformer. I mean, where's the ignition control to get this going? They got rid of that too. This thing right here. See the heat exchanger inside there. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a hole in it, to be honest. We got wood. We got plywood duct over here. I don't know what that about. And all those burn marks. This thing must have been on fire. Look at all the soot up top. Yeah.
So can we bypass the gas and the electric?
Yeah, we're gonna look into the other side of this. I think you guys are done with this one. This is complete fire hazard. This is out of commission. Okay, we're on top now. Yeah, this thing is a death trap. We're gonna retire you, old buddy. Rest in peace. Yeah, all these controls are done. Doesn't even line up with the burner no more. Melted. A Modine unit, quality company, but that's it for this. Let's look into the condensing unit. All right, so we also got a split system here. We got our condensing unit. Our blower inside is running, so that's a good sign. Sounds like the compressor is running. The suction line is warm. Suction line is warm. It's not hot, but it's warm. So the compressor is actually running in this thing. This thing is shaking like crazy. The condenser fan is running, and I peeked in here earlier, and there's actually a four-way reversing valve in here. So this thing is a heat pump. We might be able to get some heat for them. Dear Lord, what they did to you? What they did to your shop, man? Oh man, this is some real Brooklyn. This is that real Brooklyn right here. I just turned this thing off. 2 pounds. Yeah, got a leak in here. Pretty much almost empty.
So you think anybody played with this? Anything in here?
Somebody was definitely in here, man. We got a contactor here. Looked like it was held up by duct tape.
Damn.
Well, you know, this one right here, this right here goes to the contactor. I wonder if that's for the compressor or this one. I don't know, man. But the wires are still, yeah. This is for this condenser fan motor, and this is sticking out of here. But man, that thing still works. It looked like the compressor was running though. Unbelievable. Got a relay here, contactor. It's a 3-pole contactor. This is a 3-phase compressor in here? It's a 3-phase and the problem right now for me is that it's 208. It's a R22 refrigerant. This thing is so outdated. Yeah, compressor 200 8 volts, 3-phase. Got 3-phase power here. R22. This is sheesh, super old. Look where they ran that thermostat cable. Just, oh boy. Got duct tape around the solderless connectors. Damn, man. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna wrap this video up here. Unfortunately, this unit just needs to be condemned. Leave a comment below on what you think about this. That's pretty much it. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. I'll catch you all next time.